Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, we will be discussing about how to add tools and technologies in LinkedIn. Now, before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencer that will teach you how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now, jumping back onto the video, the steps are going to be quite simple. So, first you need to head over to your profile, and once you are there, the very first thing is adding them manually. So jump onto your profile and click on this pencil icon. Once you are there, you can see we have a couple of information in here, so we can simply add our tools and technologies in our headline, and it will be basically displayed in here. And the second thing that we can do is simply jump onto our work experience section. So simply scroll down, so you can click on this pencil icon, and here, once you are adding your skill set, you can add your tools and technologies onto there. So you can see if I simply click on this pencil icon, we have different type of skills in here. So you can see the skills. We can add our tools and technologies in here as well. Once we do that, it will be showing up in here as well onto our profile. So these are some of the methods that you can utilize to add tools and technologies in LinkedIn. Now, and before we get to the end, do not forget to get 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you guys around in the next video.